I'll follow you. Down below if it's too loud. I need to know you guys' opinions. What do you think? BBK long tube headers, BBK off-road X5, resonator delete, brush axle backs. That's the setup. That's pretty much it, and a tune. Chris, what's good, bro?
Look behind you.
Yo, shout out to my homie Brandon for helping me get in those shots. That's the homie back there. These guys trying to run or what?
WRX?
No, back here?
Yeah,
no, we weren't running. Oh, okay. We were just playing around. We didn't do like actual run. I would have been down though.
Monster truck, bro. Heck, aren't you cool?
Put it down, put it down.
We were just over there.
Dude, when did you get this?
Today?
Today?
A couple hours ago.
Holy shit.
Alright, one rule, we got a lot of flame spitters tonight. Everyone back up. I don't need ankle burns. I don't need any kind of crazy shit going on. We're gonna save best for last, obviously. We're gonna start over here with the Mustang. The black one, the black Mustang, not the white one. No. This week's champion is the V8. I hope y'all drank the V8 heavy vegetable juice today, because we're going to hear it right now. Let's go. Now, I heard that this Mustang has some work done same time. I don't need anyone getting hurt. Everyone back up. Everyone back up, back up, back up.
Just wanted to do a little video on the new exhaust setup. I wanted you guys to hear it from the outside, like me actually driving it. Not just revs or like inside the car driving. Yo, he just... Did you really just get out of your bag, bro? Ah, he's gonna jump out. Nah, he just jumped out his bag.
No, I'm straight.